Therefore, it's you, Miss Antoinette. You may step backward po muna, madam. Nawawala na naman yung isa. Alright. Hi, congratulations. You made it this far. How are you feeling? Can we have another microphone, please? I'm not comfortable sharing kasi kanina pa ako nagsasalita. Baka kami tumansik na dito sa live ako. Ayoko makipag-share. Ayoko nang may kahati. Gusto ko ako lang. Kaya ako sa inyo. Thank you very much. Hi there, Miss Antoinette. Good evening again. Is it still evening? It's 10:42, so it's still evening. Alright. So this is the result for transparency. And you are the first one. Do we have a time limit, executive committee? There is no time limit, so you have all the time in the world to answer the question. And let me get the questions on my podium. Naipon ko, sorry na. Okay. There is 3 prepared separate questions in our magic. Ano to? Si Judge ang pipili. Ay, number 2 ng Board of Judges. And then the Board of Judges prepared a question for each and every one of you. So, equally po, kaya top 3 kasi top 3 din yung judge. Alright. And the level of questioning is it depends on the judges. Alright? No time pressure. You have all the time in the world. You may now pick your judge.
My faith lies to my lucky judge number 2.
And she is Miss Wendy. Microphone assistance, please. Thank you. We are live and we are experiencing sort of inconvenience. That's part of the game. So while we are waiting for our microphone, kamusta? Hamat award kasi. May pang-atay lang na tayo. Just kidding. Alright, so would you like to take this opportunity to thank your artists and your wardrobe?
Thank you so much. So, I